Hi besties, how y'all doing? Madi Osage is my name. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to quickly show you guys 8 basic steps to doing your facial. So whenever you hit the spa, and please look out for the steps and ensure that you're getting the right treatment. These are basic and effective steps to doing your facials, and there's no spa that should actually exempt any of this. And do not forget to please leave a beautiful comment and let me know if you learn a thing or two. See you guys in the video. Bye. First thing that you want to take note of when going for your facials is that you're comfortable. So ensure that you let your esthetician or your skin therapist know if you feel any discomfort whatsoever. Okay, so I'm going to quickly share with you guys the benefits of having your monthly facials as this video runs through. Okay, so stay with me guys. So first off, the first benefit of having your monthly facials is for relaxation. Okay, I have clients that come and say, okay, I just want to relax, clean, have deep cleansing, and feel good. So yes, relaxation helps your face and the mind to increase focus on your breathing, and also helps to regain confidence in your healthy, beautiful skin. So the more your body is relaxed, the more your mind is focused, and then the more your skin feels really beautiful and healthy. And for anti-aging, okay, another benefit of doing your facials monthly or regularly is for anti-aging. Now, cell turnover rate helps to slow down aging process and stimulates collagen production, minimize fine lines, and all of that. Now, collagen is naturally produced in our body, but as we clock 25 and above, it tends to actually start to reduce. And so it is very important that you do your facials monthly, and this helps to build up your collagen. Okay, now monthly facials also help to support your at-home skincare routine to achieve the healthiest skin possible that you want. Yes, I know you guys do your normal routine in the house and all of that, but hey, doing your facials monthly and going to see a skin esthetician is very important. Okay, now doing your facials monthly also increases blood circulation, and is very important. It brings oxygen, protein, and nutrients to the skin while getting rid of toxins. Okay, so this doing facials monthly is not just for the paparazzi of it and all of that. It helps your mind, your body, and helps to build confidence in your skin. Deep cleaning effect. Yes, I know that we do our regular cleansing and thereabout, but hey, doing your monthly facial, it actually helps to actually give more deep cleansing effect to your skin. It's like doing your makeup yourself and then you hiring a professional makeup artist to do your makeup. There's always going to be a difference. So this is why it is very important and essential that you do your routine and your monthly routine by ensuring that you go do your facials. Now forgive me, I'm supposed to be wearing my gloves, but hey, my gloves, I got exhausted and then I had to do this video. Okay, so yes, if you have acne, ensure that your esthetician is wearing gloves while doing your facials. It's very important, and also as an esthetician, it's good that you know that you have to also protect yourself. Okay, doing your monthly facials helps to rejuvenate your skin, treat acne, exfoliate the skin, tighten the skin, and amazing benefit. There's so many, and most especially the relaxation part, the part where I did a facial massage. I lost the record. I thought the video was recording, but it wasn't. So yes, when you do your monthly facials, you get to massage your face, and that actually increases blood circulation more. I hope you find this video useful. I hope you learned a thing or two. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, and let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. My name is Madi Osage. Thank you for staying tuned, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.